In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Tradingview screener. Tradingview is an excellent platform for stock, forex, and cryptocurrency analysis, but navigating its many features can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. One of the ways to personalize and streamline your analysis process is by saving custom screener settings. This can save you a ton of time and effort, allowing you to focus more on making informed trading decisions. First, begin by launching Tradingview and logging into your account. It's essential to make sure you're logged in because your saved settings won't be accessible otherwise. Once you've logged in, locate the Screeners tab at the bottom of the Tradingview interface. This is your go-to starting point for filtering and analyzing stocks or other financial instruments. Click on it, and you'll see different options like Stock Screener, Crypto Screener, and Forex Screener. Next, decide which type of screener you want to customize and save. Let's say you're focusing on stocks. Click on the Stock Screener option, and you'll be greeted with a range of filter options and criteria you can set. These criteria range from basic ones like exchange and sector to more complex metrics like PE ratios or RSI values. Spend some time exploring and adjusting these settings based on your trading strategy and objectives. Once you have tailored the filters to meet your needs, it's crucial to save these so you can easily access them in the future without starting from scratch. Look for the Screener Settings option typically located at the top right corner of the screen. By clicking here, you should see an option that says Save As or something similar, which allows you to designate your customized screener with a unique name. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to save multiple screeners for different strategies. After you've named your screener, hit Save. Now, your customized screener settings are stored safely and can be accessed anytime you log into Tradingview. To verify that your settings have been saved, simply refresh the page or navigate away to another section of the platform, then return to the Screener tab. You should see your saved screener listed among your options. Remember, having your unique screener is an enormous time saver and can greatly enhance your trading process. It allows you to quickly scan the markets based on your personalized criteria and zero in on potential trading opportunities. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to saving your Tradingview screener. By following these instructions, you will streamline your workflow and make the most of what Tradingview has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!